Hello engineers, in this video lesson I'm going to show you how to use the sweep command in order to make objects like this, and you're also going to see how it might be used in the tech deck. So open up Autodesk Inventor, start a new part, and I'm going to be working in millimeters. I'm going to get really creative here, so I want you to just follow along and try to make something similar. It doesn't need to be exactly the same. The main point is that you learn how to use this command called sweep. So I'm going to click on Start a New 2D Sketch, and I'm going to click on the XZ plane. I'm going to make sure my top is correct. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some arcs that connect to each other, kind of like that. And then finish the sketch. Okay, so I said I'm going to get creative. There's my creativity. And what you're going to do next, this should work. If you click on the work plane button, and then click on the point, the end, you should see it should glow a color. So I'm going to click on that, and then click again, and it should give you a little tiny work plane right there, right at the end of that. So now I'm going to click Start 2D Sketch, and I'm going to click on that little work plane. I'm going to zoom into that dot. I'm going to click Circle, and I'm going to draw a circle there, and finish sketch. So now this is where sweep command comes into play. I'm going to click on sweep, then it's going to ask you for these inputs here. So profile, you need a profile. So I'm going to click on that profile. It's already selected. If you select the wrong profile or something else happens, you can just click that little X to clear it. Okay, and then click the profile. It will say one profile right here, and then you'll know you did that correctly. Then you need to select a path. So we're going to select, so you're going to click on path, and click on this line that you made. And it should automatically create the sweep. If it didn't, you might have to click on follow path or fixed or guide. Okay. If you click on guide, you might have to click on something else here. We don't need that since it's just a simple shape. So it should just be the follow path one. And then you have some other options here if you want to play with the taper or the twist. You just, like write in one. That didn't work for it for some reason. Sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't work. Didn't work on this one for whatever reason. And then click OK. And there you have it. You have created a sweep. Here's another really basic sweep that you saw a moment ago. So for the lesson, what I want you to do is do something similar. I want you to create your own very simple sweep. And then once you have the sweep complete, you don't need to make a technical drawing, but what I do want to see is that you save as, or you export it as an image, save it as sweep command lesson, and send that so I can grade it. If you have any questions or you get stuck, make sure you ask questions.